Hello family! Welcome to Life and Crafts PH. And if it happens that you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing po. Salamat! Sana sa mga every videos that I'm demonstrating here in my channel, I really do hope that you learn from me. So for today's video tutorial, I'm going to make crochet ribbon bag in English translation. Okay, so this is we are going to have a cloth yarn, just an ordinary yarn, not so expensive, and then I'm going to use this very beautiful rattan handle. This is very expensive. I bought this online, worth 300 plus shipping fee. So my piece of advice, if you want to buy different styles of handles online, make sure that you will buy many so that you can have cheaper shipping fee. So this is it. So to begin with, we are going to, by the way, I'm using a 6.5 millimeter hook. 6.5 millimeter hook. So to start with, just like that, your yarn, your cloth yarn, and then yarn over your hook, just like that. Okay, I go slowly so that you can follow. Like that. And this one, just put like that so that it will not go away. Then like that, no. And then yarn over, pull the cloth yarn like that. Just leave that one, or maybe you will just like that, or maybe you will like that. Depends on your preferences. So just like that. Okay, that's already chain 1, chain 2. So we will make, maybe let's try 40 chains. Okay, because we need to use all of this for the ribbon bag. So this is 3. So this is how it looks like, the 40 chains. So how are we going to connect to the other handle? So get the other handle and then just like that. Okay, this is the other end of the yarn. So what you are going to do next is wrap it around like that to your hook, and then back to the rattan handle, and then like that. Make 1 single crochet. Pull so that it's like that already, like that. And this one, put it like that. Okay, and then this one, you can see the first chain, you can see the first chain. So like that, make 4 slip stitch like that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 slip stitch. But it depends on your preferences. If you like to make it 6 and then much longer of the chains, then you can do it. Me, if I'm going to use the soft one, I make 6 slip stitch, but my chain is, it will reach 100 chains because it's a little bit smaller than this. So here we go. This is the 4 slip stitch. So next hole, we are going to make the half double crochet. Half double crochet like this. Yarn over, next hole. You can see 3 loops, 1, 2, 3 in your hook. And then yarn over, pull all the 3 loops in your hook like that. Then, that, very easy. Because if you know the basic, then it's not any more hard for you to do it like that. Okay? So, see? Small here, and then it gets bigger. So you will make half double crochet until the other end of this chain, but leaving 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Okay? Because here is 4, here is 4. So the remaining 32 chains will be the half double crochet. Okay? Get it? Okay. So let's continue the half double crochet, leaving 4 chain stitch at the other side. Okay? So this is the ribbing stitch, combination of the slip stitch and the half double crochet. Okay? So this is it. This is the 4 slip stitch, so 32, and then remaining 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 slip stitch. This is it. Okay, like that. So how to attach it here? Same steps. You like that, and then like that. Wrap it around here, and then make single crochet. See? And then this one, remember, like that, like that. So this is the back, this is the front, right? This is the back. Okay, what we are going to do is we will make again 4 slip stitch but back loop. Okay, this is the like that. So back loop is in the middle. Okay, because we are only going to get this one. 4 slip stitch. Okay, next is like that. Oh my god, this is very hard. That in the middle. Okay, then slip stitch. Maybe it's too tight. Number 3. Really. That's why next time I'm not going to use this kind of yarn anymore. I just use this one so that I will going to sell this one. So there you go. My god. Then half double crochet. Same steps, but this is back loop. We're going to loosen it a bit, okay? So that it's not hard. So this is at the other side of the handle. So the same steps again on how to wrap it around, just like that. Okay, so this is the we're already done with the back loop, 4 slip stitch back loop. So here, wrap it to the hook and then around the handle like that, and then yarn over to the hook and then make a single crochet. So see here, that, like that. Remember, so the first one, back loop again, 4 slip stitch again, so here we go. After we're done with our ribbing stitch, we are going to close the side, both side, with a single crochet until here. So it's up to you where you prefer to end. This one, the opening, how wide is the opening here in the top side of this bag. And then the same here, we are going to attach both sides with a single crochet until here. And then here we are going to put something, a decorative something, to finish our ribbing bag. Yay! So see, this is the 4 slip stitch back loop, and this is the double crochet back loop with a rattan handle.